Alright guys, and welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to delete your search history. So first, you're going to open Google Chrome. Once you're in Google Chrome, you're going to click these three dots, and then you're going to click History. Then you're going to click on History over here again. Now, once you get your history and you want to delete whatever you want, you can either individually click all of the things and press delete and remove, or you could delete by group of different websites like YouTube, or you could clear browsing data like this, and then you could use like an advanced and clear your whole last hour of browsing history, and you can remove, and then you click clear data. And that's it. Thank you for watching.